How do we turn a 1970s Saab Sonett into this space car? Here is a shortcut. We will start by building a simple box as the base of our 3D design. Draw 4 lines going toward 2 different vanishing points. The length of our box will be about 7.2 tire widths. To reach that, fit 1 tire between these 2 lines. Then draw another line right in the middle. Now draw a line from the top corner of the first square to where it meets the middle line. Extend it to the bottom line and draw a vertical line to create the next square. Repeat this until you have 7 squares in total. The box width is about 2.6 squares, which I already measured, so just complete the box. Next, find the side silhouette of the car and transfer it to the mid-plane of the box. Now draw modeling planes along the silhouette outline. Imagine these planes like knives slicing the car into salami pieces. Then apply that logic to your model. Now you can draw your model's outline. Let's add some shading to make the geometric form clearer. Alright, time to start designing. For the cabin, I'm adding those cool steel tube guards you often see in Formula off-road cars. Please subscribe if you want to see more like this. Okay, I think part of the hood should be removed to match the design. Then I'll move on to other parts. Headlights, hood, fenders, rear, and so on. Until we reach the most important feature, the jet engine. I want to combine a spaceship jet engine with futuristic body design to create something really unique. I start rough, then redraw the final line art on top. We'll keep that for later and project it again onto our model from this angle. Then I'll draw the car from a few other angles to use it in the portfolio. Now it's time to color. Try using sloppy marker style hatching for a sketchy look. I'll color the body orange so it pops against the deep blue of space. Then invert the orange and shift it toward purple to cyan tones for the engine to balance the color palette. The rest of the model gets neutral grays. For the background, I'll use a dark blue and drop a cast shadow so the car stands out. Now for some wrapping stripes and a few extra shadows. Look at those cast shadows here and there. They really bring volume to the piece. I'll use a dotted pattern for the windshield and add a strong highlight on top. Then paint the headlights and their reflection on the ground. A small sticker on the hood would make a nice finishing touch. Finally, an old print texture for the back gives it a retro feel. That's it. See you soon.